National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wake County, North Central Johnston County, Northeastern Chatham County, Southern Durham County, South Central Franklin County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near RDU International, or 7 miles southeast of Durham, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Wake Forest, Garner, Clayton, Zebulon, Bunn, RDU International, and Apex. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 274 and 306. Interstate 440 between mile markers 1 and 16. Interstate 540 between mile markers 0 and 24. United States 1 between mile markers 97 and 101. North Carolina Highway 264 between mile markers 20 and 22. The Durham Freeway between mile markers 2 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Chatham, Durham, Franklin, Johnston, and Wake.